The hunters become the hunted.
If only we had light, they wouldn't come so close.
Nature is about to reveal a power that will change humanity forever. The animals are running. Something is coming.
The sky has never looked like this before.
Nature is preparing to reveal one of its greatest... The sky!
But nothing touches it.
Remember this moment. We'll never be the same again.
Run! Even the lions are escaping!
Everything fears this glowing monster.
No, this is not a monster. This is a power greater than any beast. The flames are weaker now.
I can feel its warmth.
Even from here.
It burns my skin.
But not the green wood,
We can move it.
without touching it.
Do not fight the fire. Learn how to guide it. The fire protects us.
The fire without fighting.
Today we discovered... Carefully, we cannot let the fire die.
Protect the flame. It is now part of our journey.
Today we are not escaping nature. We are learning from it.
Our shelter is no longer dark.
Tonight, humanity has captured the first fire. The cold can no longer defeat us.
Even in the darkest night.
As long as the flame lives... Tonight we are no longer afraid.
The fire guards our home while we
A
rest.
single flame has defeated the darkness. The fire changes the meat.
The smell is unlike anything we've ever known.
The fire has changed you to eat,
The fire has changed our food forever.
with better food.
Now our stories can live on these walls.
The fire brings us together every night.
Where there is fire, there is learning, memory, and hope.
Come closer. You have nothing to fear.
Knowledge grows brighter when it is shared. Protect this flame, and it will protect your people.
We will keep it alive for generations.
The greatest discoveries become stronger when they are shared. The flame no longer belongs to one tribe.
Its light now reaches every family.
Today, a single spark has become humanity's future. We did not just discover fire.
We change the future.
Its light will guide every generation, carrying the first flame home.